Let's finish the staging wall this week. Well, before we work on the staging wall, I bought a hydraulic jack table for myself. So let's open it up. Do you have one of these? This is so cool. This will cut styrofoam. So I think I'm just gonna cut it out of the box. Here will be the test. Can I move this over to my staging wall with my hydraulic jack? Let's try it. So come to find out, the minimum lift on this is 8.75 inches. So you see I'm manhandling it onto it. I'm thinking, okay, how is this supposed to help me? A few people reached out to me on Instagram that showed me some ways that I can maybe make this work for me, but I'm not sure. So I'll keep trying to figure it out, but now I'm going to move on from here and I'm going to install the sconces. I'll have to come back to this another day. So I Googled placement and they said that the average wall sconce is 60 to 72 inches from the floor. So if I did 60 inches would be here and 72 is up here. So, but then if I look at like this box is 62 inches. So if I did like 2/3 of it, that would be like 40. That'd be like here. So I'm kind of thinking like maybe middle-ish of the box. And that would still fall within the 60 to 72. So like I said, it's 62 inches. So if I did in the middle, that would be 62, is that right? Yeah, 62, so it'd be 31, which is here. That feels a little low. Maybe not though. I could go with 36 with the baby. 31. 31 seems too low to me. I'm thinking like between 36 and 38. I guess I could just go 37 right here. Let me put it on the wall and kind of see where it would land. Okay, so this is 36, 37, and 38. Okay. Feels a little tall now. Because of this, I may have to bring it down. You know? I think it does look better. Maybe a little lower. So that would be here. That would be 33. So they said between 60 inches, which I'm thinking 60 might be where I want to go. That would be here. No, I'm thinking I might go on the low end because of the way that it is. I need an extra hand to hold it. So I'm super happy with the sconces. I had to run and get Kate. We're sharing cars because the van, the alternator went out on the van, and so it's in the shop. It's going to get new brakes in the back. It's going to get
The windshield wiper, I I was unloading some furniture and forgot to put the hatch down and drove out, and it tore off the windshield wiper, the rear windshield wiper. So we're going to get that fixed too. And what else? The alternator, something else. And so a couple grand later, we love that van. That van has been great to us. We have a little Honda Odyssey. It's great for furniture. I can take the bucket seats out and fit a lot of furniture in it. So I don't really need a van anymore for, just our family life, but we're keeping it because it's great for furniture. And so, it's paid off. So, it's like, hey, it works. And so it's been a good vehicle for us. So, I need to go pick up my, flooring for the, staging wall, but because I don't have the van, I'll have to wait until it's done and then I'll go pick that up. So I'm really close. Finished the sconces this morning. I'm going to get the curtain rods hung up maybe this afternoon. I've got to kind of build them out from the wall, so I have to think through that. And I'll probably have to hem the curtains because they're 96 inches, but it's probably going to be like 94 inches. I don't want them dragging on the ground. So I'll either stitch them up, probably, I could just use like, like where I don't know what it's called, but where you just steam it, or you just iron it on and you hem it. So I use that a lot too. What's it called? Stitch witchery? No, that's probably not right. I don't know what it's called. Something where you hem it and, the iron, I don't know. It's not interfacing. I used to sew back in the day. So, but it's been a while. I used to sew Kate some cute little dresses when she was little and put all the little ruffles and all kinds of, ribbons on them. So cute. But, she's 19, so that's been a long time ago. I haven't sewed anything in quite a while, but I do have a sewing machine and I have a serger. But I like to kind of make pillows, and I would make curtains and things like that. But anyway, so she's here, and so we're going to get back to the house, and we will get busy, try to get the curtain rods put up. There's Miss Kate. She just got done with her college classes. So we're going to head back and get back to work. I got a wraparound rod for it. Now, the only problem I'm going to run into is that I'm going to have to mount it here, but then over here it's going to be off the staging wall. So I'm going to have to build it up over here with like a 2x4 in order to adhere it, but it's not a big deal. It's fine. I looked for like a swing array rod, but I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money because this is just a staging wall in my garage. So these were relatively inexpensive, and I think they're going to work just fine. So that's kind of where I'm at. I'm going to figure out where I want them, because I want them pretty high. I like to mount curtains pretty high, and then, you're not really gonna see them that much in the pictures. It's just gonna kind of give a nice detail on the edge of a piece, especially when you have a really long piece. It's gonna give kind of a nice little homey detail, like it's really inside a house. And I think it'll be pretty. So I'm not super concerned, with placement. I'm basically gonna put it between the top molding and where the top of the box is. So I'll just probably split that measurement in half, and that's where I'll mount them. So we'll try it. And since I ordered my flooring online, I'm doing curbside pickup at Lowe's. I just check in on my app. They come out, load it in my car. It's fabulous. And all I have to do is when I get home
is unload it and unroll it, and we are close. I'm really happy with the progress that I made. Obviously, I still need to hem the curtains, get those installed, but I'll have a full video on step-by-step process on how I did the wall in the final reveal. So thanks for joining me for Open Workshop, and I'll see you next week.